Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you the easiest way how you check Windows version. So if you have Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11 and you would like to see the version or the build, then this video is for you. First of all, just type in the search bar, run run. Once you see the run application, click on it to open. This application is available in all Windows versions. Next step, you want to type msinfo32. Once done, hit enter to open the application. Make the window bigger. And here you will see in the top, operating system name or OS name, Microsoft Windows. In my case, it's 11 Pro. You might have 10, 7 or 8 or even XP. Next step, check your version. I have the version 10.0.22.621 build 22.621. This is my version or my build of Windows operating system. I hope this video tutorial was fast, easy, and was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to help us and encourage us to make more video tutorials, then just click like and share. This is the best way. And click subscribe to get our latest video. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.